Okay? Who here does not talk to himself or herself? Do you talk to yourself? Okay? You talk to yourself? You talk to yourself? Okay? When you're talking to yourself, you are actually programming yourself. Okay? Through what? Your own suggestions. Okay? Most of the times that you are talking to yourself, are you telling yourself good things or bad things? Are you telling yourself positive sides of your life or not positive sides of your life? And when we are doing, think about this by the way. अगर first करो तुम्हारा कोई दोस्त हो, okay? वो आके तुम्हें बोले, ये तुमने यार कैसी शर्ट पहनी हुई है, ये तुमने चश्मा कौन सा लगा लिया है, तुम्हारे ऊपर देखो ये इधर बाल हेयर स्टाइल सूट नहीं कर रहा, ये तुमने कौन सी जूड़ियाँ पहनी है, ये तुम्हारे जूते देखो. You know, if a friend does that to you, most of the time, not all the time, most of the time, how good will your relationship be with that friend? How much time would you want to spend with such a person?
कम से कम.
Think about this, yes. You want to spend more time? ना यार आज बताओ और क्या पढ़ाई लग रही है इधर? अरे यार देखो तुमने शेव देखो इतनी बड़ी कर रखी है अपनी. Okay, think about this. And if we are telling ourselves the same kind of things about what's wrong with us rather than what's right with us, about what is lacking in our life rather than what is there in our lives, okay, how are we going to feel with ourselves? Here's the problem, by the way. Here's the problem. You spend all of your life with yourself. Isn't that strange? We spend all of our lives with ourselves. Okay. And when we are spending all the time with ourselves and we are not treating ourselves right, not telling ourselves the right things or the good things, how are we going to feel? Good? Are you going to feel good? We are obviously not. Now, if you are not feeling good, are you going to make good decisions? Are we going to have good relationships with other people? Are we going to produce good results? Okay. And what happens with people is, when we are operating in that kind of mindset, where we are like constantly looking things outside of us while we are actually doing all things inside our own selves, what happens is people, because they are not, it's like this, I often say it's much easier for me to say, you know, it's like तुम्हारी नाक के ऊपर कालक है मगर मुझे यहाँ पे नजर नहीं आती. You get this? So it's much easier to put blame on someone else for my problems than to actually accept the problem is something with me. Okay, but problem is this. As long as I'm putting blame on other people, it's like जो मैंने कहा कि डॉक्टर साहब पेट में तो दर्द मेरे को चेकअप बेगम का कर लीजिए. Okay, it will never solve the problem. Okay, so my objective in today's session is basically to give you a small experience, so just to enhance your awareness, so you get an idea of what you're doing inside your own head. Okay, and how what you're doing inside your head, you actually frame it in linguistic terms. You know whatever you're doing inside your head, you know, language के अंदाज में how you're framing it inside yourself, so that if you want or need to change anything, you at least have a simple tool to do that.